Okay, so we have the same baby robot class here, and this time we're looking at combining different conditions inside the if-else statement. So as you can see here, we still have the secret code variable in the React method, but this time in our conditions, we use 2 for each condition, aside from the else statement. So this one is called the logical AND operator. So if the secret code is less than 10 and the secret code is greater than 0, the baby robot will react with the code is a number from 1 to 9. So let's try this out by putting in 5. So if we run this playground, baby robot will react with the code is a number from 1 to 9. Then we have this other else if statement, which contains 2 conditions also. This time it's the logical OR operator. So if the secret code is equal to 0 or the secret code is equal to 10, it will react with the code is either 0 or 10. So let's try this out by typing in 10, and it will say the code is either 0 or 10. This will be the same if we put in 0. So it will be either or. So those are 2 additional ways to generate combined conditional statements in an if, else if, and else block.